This conference will now be recorded.
Sir, my server is ready, sir. Yeah.
ఎవరమ్మా?
Sir, this is Tinku, sir. My server is ready, sir.
Okay, yeah, okay, fine. Open the server, share the screen. Yeah, share the screen. Yes. So terminal is open. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So just create some files and some directories. File, 2 files and 2 directories, or else 1 directory. Create it. My voice is clear or it is low?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Clear.
Okay. Create some files, 1 or 2 files, and directory. So Sandeep. Okay, Linga Babu, right? Babu, you are new to this batch. మీరు కొత్త ఈ batch కి?
No, sir, I am not new to this batch. Actually, నేను ఆల్రెడీ నుంచి వింటున్నాను సార్ నేను.
ఓకే ఓకే అంటే మీ ఓకే వేరే నేమ్తో లాగిన్ అయ్యారా ఇప్పుడు?
నేను ముందు నుంచి వింటున్నాను సార్. యాక్చువల్గా ఇది న్యూ క్లాస్ సార్, అంటే ఆల్రెడీ వింటున్నాను 8 to 9. ఐ మీన్ నిన్న లైక్ లైనెక్స్ క్లాస్ కూడా చెప్పారు కదా సార్, లైక్ కమాండ్స్ ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలని.
ఓకే ఓకే సరే. ఫైల్స్ క్రియేట్ చెయ్యు, డైరెక్టరీ క్రియేట్ చేసావు, ఫైల్స్ చేసావా? ఓకే డన్. సారీ,
2 files and 1 directory.
ls type ls. Okay, ls. So you are getting only the details of the file, list of file you are getting. Okay, so what are the files or directories are there inside your machine? So if you want to see what are the files and directory with some data or with some permissions and all those things, okay, in complete form, then it will be ls-l. Okay, long list. So see here, total is 0 and files are there. See, where remember one thing, file will always be in gray or white color and directories will always be in blue color. Okay, fine. So when the files got created, some timing is given and what date it is created, who created, okay, who created it, that is the root one. Okay, after that you can see the first one, first line, okay, drwxs, that is called the file permissions. Okay, that is called the file permissions. So root means some have read permission, some have write permission, some have written execute permission. So when it comes to the directory, directories will always be with D. Okay, D refers to directory. Okay, clear? So file permissions, we have three types. Okay, fine. Can you just open a notepad if possible? Notepad or paint, anything is fine. Notepad open cheyandi, ade better. Stuck అయిందా? Hello, 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 can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I think his machine is stuck, right? Yeah, okay. No issues, just reload it. Just press F5, it will reload. స్ట్రక్ అయింది కదా అందరికి, లేదా నాకే స్ట్రక్ అయింది అతని స్క్రీన్?
For everyone, it
Andhra
is showing. Andhra second.
Okay, okay, fine, no problem. So maybe, yeah, no issues.
Sir,
Huh.
sir, can we have requirement for the ACL
Sorry?
in the AWS?
Huh.
Sir, ACL access control list. We have requirement for the ACL in the AWS.
Yeah, but access control list, it is far way topic. Yeah, access control list is required. ACL will comes under storage as well as when you are creating your VPC. In that two things, ACL will be there, required. VPC network ACLs will be there. There you need to give some a control list, and in storage also, whenever you are creating your bucket, you will be giving permissions to only the authorized user who can access your bucket. Okay, so there you need to add the
Hi, Deepak sir.
candidates.
This is Tinku sir.
There you need to add the candidates who will be able to access your buckets. So at that time you need to create the ACLs, access control list. So it will come
Hello,
ACL. Yeah, hello.
Deepak sir. This is Tinku sir. Just I lost the power, sir. So that's why I log in through mobile.
Okay, fine, no issues, no problem.
Okay.
నా స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అయిందా? ఓకే, డన్.
Yes.
ఓకే, సో యూజర్స్ చూసాం, ఈరోజు పర్మిషన్స్ చూద్దాం. ఓకే, సో ఫైల్ పర్మిషన్స్. సో ఫైల్ పర్మిషన్స్ 3 levels. First one is owner. Okay, owner level, or sorry, on user level. Okay, second one is group level. Third one is others like we. Okay, third party. So what does it means? Okay, so okay, let me launch my server, just a second.
Sir, the power came, sir. All good, sir. I can share now the screens.
Yeah, sure. Okay, fine. Yeah, give me, I'll do it, no problem. See, I am taking hardly 20 seconds to launch my server, so that much speed I am expecting from you also, and the expectations will be there the same from the others also. Okay, so you should be launching your server in that same speed. So that is the reason why do the so that your speed will get increased. That's it, nothing else. If you do more and more, it will help you a lot. And most important thing is you will mug up the commands. Okay. So the space hyphen I, ls, so nothing. So touch a1 space a2 space a3 and dir dir1 space dir2. Okay, type ls. So you can see a1 a2 a3 dir1 dir2 dir3. So ls space hyphen l. Now see here directories are in blue colors. Okay, files are in normal color. Okay, gray color or white color. When it is created, some June 10, some date. Okay, some time. Who created it? Root created it. Okay, I am the root user, right? So from user mode to root mode, I came it. Okay, with the command of this, I came to root mode. Okay, so root has created. Now next thing, see, these are the permissions. Okay, these are the permissions for directory starting with the, these are the permissions starting to the file. Okay, so here see, this is your, sorry, 1 minute. So what I told you, we have groups, sorry, the file permission will be of 3 types. Okay, so 3 levels: user level, group level, and others. So this is your user level permission. Okay, from w to, sorry, yeah, this is your user level permissions. Okay, or else owner level. This is your group level permissions, and this is your others. Okay, so we need to give the permissions to the file, and we need to give the permissions to the users, groups, as well as others also, so that who can use your file, who can access your file, who can open your file, who can open your directory. Okay, so if it's a user level, user means who is the user, root is the user, right? So I can only able to read it. R refers to read, w refers to write, and x refers to execute. Read, write, and execute. Okay, read, write, execute, rwx. Rwx means R for read, W for write, X for execute. So in user level permission, whom to give the read, write, and execute permission? In the group also the same, in the others also the same. Okay, so these permissions we will be deciding, depends on the file. Okay, so how to decide? Okay, so we have the normal format. See, okay, so r w x, so r for read, w for write, okay, x for execute. Fine, done. Read, write, and execute. Fine. So there are numberings also. Okay, denotions. So numbering, r refers to 4, write refers to 2,
To two or execute is one, sir.
execute is 1. Okay, so what is the total? Total is 7, right? Total is 7. Okay, so read, write, and execute, total is 7. Total is nothing, it is just the count. Don't think that total also is one file. rwx, and what the total is 7. Okay, so read means 4. Okay, write means 2, x means 1. So whenever we are trying to give the permissions, okay, so if it is only r, so that the owner can only read it. If it is only w, it means they can only write it. If it is only x, it means they can only execute it. Okay, so where is our putty? See, here the owner is having rw, so what is the total?
6. 6.
Yes, good. Here it is only, second permission is only r refers to read. So
4.
second one after owner, who is the second one? Group. So group level guys can only read the file. They cannot write. That is, they cannot do any changes, and they cannot do in the see the, okay. They can only see the file, and they can only read the file with cat something. See here with cat A1, if they press, they can only read it. If any data is there, right, they can only read it, but they cannot do any other thing apart from that, because the others have only, they have the permission to read it, but they cannot write or they cannot execute. That is, they cannot edit or execute anything. Okay, so in that way, so if you want to give the full permissions that user can do anything, okay, and our group level can, people can do anything, and others also can do anything, so it is called as full permission, full permissions to file or directories. How to do it? It is the command syntax is chmod, that is change mode 777. Why 777? 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7, right? So 777, 17 is for your group level, 17 is for your, sorry, 17 is for user level, 17 is for group level, and third 7 is for others. So we are giving permissions to everyone, group level, user level, and other level too, so that they can able to, anyone can able to access your file, that is read your file, they can do any changes, that is write your file, and they can execute the scripts, that is execute the file. So chmod 777 and file name.
So once again, 777 more, tell me.
What is?
Once again, tell me, sir, 777 more.
See, what is the total? 4 plus 2 plus 1?
6 for 7.
7, right? Total is 7.
Yeah.
So ch mode 777 means change mode to 777. So here first 7 refers to user level, second 7 refers to your group level, third 7 refers to your others, third party level. So to all the levels we are giving the full permissions, that is read, write, execute, read, write, execute, read, write, execute. Understood?
Yeah, okay, sir. Yeah, sir.
And we can see here also. See, so here, for example, A1 is having,
Let's say,
yes,
here the group level is the EC2 user, sir, or the EC2 user also comes under the owner level, sir.
EC2 user is your user only. Okay, you are
Yes, sir.
telling, you are telling it is user.
Yes, sir.
Okay, comes under user mode only. See, whenever you logged into your server using username EC2-user, right?
Yes, sir.
Username EC2-user. So EC2 is your user. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so from EC2 you went into your root.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
So let's
Then
type.
what with the group level and other levels?
అర్థం కాలేదు ఏమంటారు?
What about the group level and other levels? Can you tell me again, sir? What group level and
No, see, group level in the sense files will be the same. Okay, so
okay, sir.
normally how the distribution will be there, if say there is a particular group is there, multiple groups will be there in our single environment. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
multiple,
Okay.
not only one group, multiple groups will be there. So if you want to give the permissions, depends on the group, you will be giving the permissions. If you want all
Okay,
the
sir.
groups, the file, view the file, execute it, write it, so you will give group level permissions as 7. Okay, so if you don't want
Okay,
it,
sir.
you will be giving normal permission.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so let's see.
Okay.
Ch mode, after that I am just giving A1 is the file, right? Press enter. Sorry, what mistake I did, tell me.
Sir, permission,
Permissions not required, sir.
permission.
Where you permission?
చెప్పండి మిగతా వాళ్ళు సింపుల్.
The 777 chmod 777 like that.
Not mention the 777 mode. Okay, I have not given the instruction, so it is done. Now check it. ls space panel. So see, file color changes, and you can see every group is having rwx, RWX. Okay, so everyone can able to access the file. Anyone can able to execute the file. Anyone can able to change the file. Okay, anyone can able to do anything with that file. Okay, understood? How to give the file permissions?
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is important because this will be asked in the interviews. How to give the file permissions, how to change the file permissions. For example, okay, if I want to give only read and execute, okay, read and execute, if I want to give, tell me what will we use. So for A2 I am giving is, just calculate and tell me, for A2 I have to give user level only read and execute permission.
500.
6, sir.
User
The permissions will be in 3 levels. So whenever you are telling the total, it should come with 3 level. I have asked for user level, I want to give read and execute. So what will be the number?
577.
500.
3, sir.
Team you are doing, brother. నా క్వశ్చన్ అర్థం చేసుకోండి. నాకు యూజర్ లెవెల్లో
500
మాత్రమే.
sounds, sir.
సో అప్పుడు మనం ఏం రాయాలి? ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ప్రకారం ఓన్లీ 5 వస్తుంది అంతే. ఓకేనా?
500,
ఓన్లీ
sir.
యూజర్. సో మీరు 0 ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, గ్రూప్ లెవెల్ అండ్ ద అదర్స్ లెవెల్ విల్ కమ్, డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ పర్మిషన్స్. ఓకే, 0 పర్మిషన్స్ ఇట్ విల్, నాట్ ఈవెన్ రీడ్ పర్మిషన్. ఓకే, సో our user level will have only read and execute. Okay, our group level will have write and execute. What is the number? Write and execute.
3.
Okay, so and our others will have both read, write, execute.
7, sir.
7.
Okay, understood? And press the file name and press enter. Mode is changed, ls space -l, and check it. Got it? So what I told, read and execute to user level. Got it? Okay, write and execute to group level WX, and all full permissions to your server, means others level. Got it? How to give the permissions, how to assign the permissions?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, Deepak.
Yeah, you guys, just a second. ఒక్క సెకండ్ ఆగండి. Okay, done. So the next thing is, the next topic which we want to cover is, so files is done, right? File permissions, you are clear, right? And the present states I told you.
Clear, sir.
Yeah. Okay, done. Right? Okay, so next is kill commands. Okay, kill commands. Kill commands we will be using to kill. Okay, so kill means nothing but to delete or something. Okay,
So we have in kill command so many what we say numbers are there. Okay, like 1 is there, 9 are there, 15 is there, 20 is there, so many are there. Okay, for example, but most widely we will be using is kill -9. Okay, kill -9 is the mostly used command to kill any process. Okay, kill -9 and PID. PID refers to your process ID. Okay, process ID. Whatever the process you want to kill, whatever the service you want to kill, every service will start with the process ID inside our machine. Every service will start with a process ID. Okay, so we need to copy that. See, I will show you. So see, these many processes are running inside our machine currently in my machine. Okay, these are all the processes. Some are running with root, some are running with users, and some are running with others. Okay, so the command is simple: ps-ef. Okay, present state. So when the process is started and who is started which process and all those things you can see here. Okay, so for every process, sorry, see, this is the PID, right? This is the PID. So for every process there is a process ID will be there which is running. Okay, so whenever we want to kill any service, so we need to check the process ID of that service. Okay, it will show you here. Okay, we need to check the process ID and then we need to copy and paste it. For example, if we want to kill Java, okay, if we want to delete Java, so the command will be ps space -ef. Okay, after that pipe symbol will be there. Okay, it will be above enter. Okay, enter paina oka backslash untadi, backslash ki backslash to pass inko symbol untadi. Okay na? So ps-ef pipe, this is called pipe, grep and Java. So if you type this, it will search and give you the process ID of Java. So see, this is the Java process ID for us. Okay, 3454, and Java is there or not, it will show. Okay, so if I want to kill Java, it will be kill space -9 space, what is the process ID? 3454, and press enter. So see, no such process. Why no such process? Simple, I am telling. Anyone can tell why I got this error? Logical thinking.
Is not installed. Java was not installed.
Exactly. Java నేను ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసిన సర్వర్ లో
No sir.
లేదు కదా, జస్ట్ నార్మల్ గా సర్వర్ స్టార్ట్ చేసాను అంతే. ఓకే, సో జావా ఏమీ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయలే, సో డైరెక్ట్ గా స్టార్ట్ చేసేసాను అంతే. సో అందుకనే so that is the reason why it shows error to me. Okay, so if Java is there, then it will not show any error. Currently Java is there, that's why. Just a minute. Tomorrow. Yeah, done. Clear? So got it? How to kill, how to search the process IDs of any service. To search the process ID of any service, it will be this command ps-ef pipe grep and the service name. Immediately it will give you the process ID and the service name. Here the service name is in red color because there is no service called Java running. There is no service called Java. Okay, fine.
Sir, if service is there means it which color it blinks, sir?
Normally వస్తున్నది. Normally ఇవన్నీ ఎలాగ వచ్చాయో రూట్ అండ్ ఆల్, ఇవి అన్ని సర్వీస్లే, all these are services. Okay, so it will come normally. Okay, Java is in red color because we didn't install anything in this machine, right? Java and all, so that's why it is come like this. So to search any service, it will be ps-ef pipe grep. Okay, and after that service name, you will be getting the process IDs. Once you get the process IDs, you can able to kill that process. Kill means to delete it. Okay, so kill, so coding combinations are there. Okay, so kill means to kill the process. Okay, kill the process means delete the process. Okay, if you want to reload it, so it will be kill hyphen 1. Okay, kill hyphen 1 means reloading. Reloading. It is just reloading or what we say, rebooting type. Okay, reloading or rebooting. That process, whatever the process, sometimes the process may struck. So at that time it will throw errors, right? So kill hyphen 1 means reloading. Okay, so kill hyphen 15 is another one. Okay, only few we are using. So kill hyphen 15 is there. It means terminating the process. Okay, terminating the process. Terminated means permanently delete. Okay, so another one is kill hyphen 20. Okay, mostly used commands. Okay, this one. It means stopping the service. Sorry, stopping the process. Okay, to stop any process, kill hyphen 20. To completely delete, kill hyphen 15. To reload, kill hyphen 1. To kill. Okay, so direct hyphen 9. Okay, completely it will kill. Okay, clear? Process, how to check the processes and how to kill the processes.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, yeah, what is the reloading, sir?
Reloading means just rebooting the service. That's it. If suppose some service is running, okay, and but you are not getting the outputs and all, it is not working properly. So what we will do? We will just reload it. Reload means just reboot it once so that automatically it will start and the process will start working. Did you got it?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So PS-A, what it will give is whatever the users are there in your machine, right? It will give the process ID of that. So sudo is nothing but your normal user. Okay. Process ID is this. Bash is nothing but your normal root user. Root user, all else the script which is running, we are running, right? Okay. So process ID is this. And PS, okay, present state, the process ID is this. Okay, in the same way, let's check it another command, PS-A all. Okay, it is giving an error.
One step PS hyphen AL, sir.
PS-AL,
Yes, sir.
AL ఏమొచ్చింది ఇది కొత్తది AL అంటే
I think that one's for getting all the process. Yes, sir.
No, all means it will come with in full format. Okay, see here, who is the user ID, process ID, and add user kada evaru at a time ki ayindi, all the details will come and which command is running. Okay, it card actually, this is not the original command. So let's create a user. So how to create a user?
User it.
That's it. Okay. Okay. So where to check the user is created or not?
Sir, in the home directory.
Where to check whether the user is created or not? నిన్ననే చెప్పాను కొంచెం ఆలోచించండి.
ETC pass WD.
So user created or not?
Last. Created.
Okay. Yeah, done. Fine. So just check PS-U and Deepak. Fine. So to check the user level information, if any service is running inside the user, it will show here. Process ID and all those things, it will show here. Okay, user level information, if you want, you will be using this thing. Means inside this Deepak user, how many services are running, you can check with this command, ps-u, after that the username. Okay, clear?
Clear, sir.
Done. So now there are two types of commands through which you people can start your service. Okay. Service commands. Okay. There are two types of things. There are two types of commands through which you can start or stop your service in your CLI mode. One is service. Second is
System.ctl.
Okay, clear? One is service, second one is system.ctl. So either through service you can start and stop and do the operations, or else through system.ctl you can do it. Okay, so how to do this means simple syntax. System.ctl start service
Start.
name. Whatever the service name is there, okay? Same, instead of start you can give stop, instead of stop you can give enable other things. Okay, same thing.
Okay, sir.
After that, for service also, service
Start and service.
service name. Okay, so either service or else system.ctl, both are the things which you can use to start, stop,
Restart.
enable, restart, status, anything, same commands. Here also the same command, start, status, restart, enable, stop, same will be there. Okay, clear? These are called as the
Clear.
service command. Service command means to start and stop or restart or enable your servers and all, you will be using this service command. So either your service will run or else your system.ctl will run. Okay, clear?
Both are
Okay, sir.
same, sir.
Clear.
Both we can use, sir.
Yeah, we can use it. See, normally for CentOS system.ctl will work, and for Linux service will work. Okay, so mostly
Okay,
we
sir.
will be using system.ctl in CentOS only, and service commands in Linux. Anything related to the Linux parts, we will be running the service.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so if any service is there, then the command will be system.ctl. For example, just now we have started one service called Docker. So after that, if you press enter, it will start the Docker service. Docker is a service. Okay, present we don't have anything. That's why it is showing failed to start Docker, unit not found. No unit means nothing is there. So that's why it is showing error. Okay, clear?
Oh, don't we have
Clear,
any
sir.
termination in this? Like deletion or termination? ఇందులో టర్మినేషన్ కానీ డిలీషన్ కానీ ఏముండదా సార్?
సర్వీస్ ని మనం system.ctl త్రూ చేయలేము. సర్వీస్ డిలీట్ చేయాలంటే rm-rf అంటే సర్వీస్ ని స్టాప్ చేసి దెన్ వీ కెన్ డిలీట్ ఇట్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వీ నీడ్ టు స్టాప్.
ఓకే.
Once we stop the service, after stopping the service, it will be rm space rf and service name. So the service will be deleted completely from the server. Okay, service is nothing but a small, normally we can say service is a thing, okay, which we can start it, stop it, remove it.
Okay.
Okay, so ps
Sir,
commands are done. Yeah.
Sir, rm-rf, it delete its package now, sir?
Yeah, it will delete the package and our service. Both are same, right?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Package means software. Service means once you install the software, it will run inside backend. Okay, that is called as service.
Okay,
Java, if you install, okay, Java is a package you are installing. To run the Java backend, the Java service should get run.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Yeah, so mostly your Linux is done. I have covered all the main things which are required mostly, and interview purpose things only I have covered it. Okay, rest of the file I will share it now to you guys. I will share it to the management. You can download it from them. Okay, with this video you will get that one also. So just download and practice all those things. Okay, A to Z. Few I have not covered, few only I have covered, but in the thing which I have created from my side, it's a notepad document. I will send it to you. Just practice all those things. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Deepak sir,
So yes.
just can you explain briefly about the user IDs? Just a bit confused.
User adding.
Yes,
Okay.
user
See,
ID.
normally we will have two types of user.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So users will be two types. Okay. One is normal user.
Okay.
Okay. Second one is root user. Okay. Second one is root user. So
Yes.
normal user will be having limited permission. Okay. So
Okay.
whatever the permissions assigned to him, he can do only that work. Okay. And when your root user is having full permission, root user is nothing but your administrator.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Root user is nothing but your administrator. So he will be doing all the things. He will be having the entire permissions of your Linux. So whatever the permissions he will give it to the user can do only that thing. Same just like we saw in our IAM, right? In
Yes, sir.
IAM, our AWS is your root user and IAM users are normal users to which they have given some permissions to the user. So that user can perform only that task. EC2 is given, so he can only do EC2. S3 is given, only he can do S3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like that, whatever the work assigned to the guys, they can do only that thing. So normal users notation will be, the symbol is $. Okay. And root user, the symbol is hash. Always
Hash.
identify you are in root mode or you are in user mode. Okay. So if you are in root mode, if you are in $ mode, that is in your user mode, and if you want to run some commands, you can run it. But when the root can give you the permission. So once you want to run the root level commands, in your normal user, okay, so it will be sudo space systemctl dot docker. So for every command, before you need to add this sudo. Okay, for every command, whatever the command you will type, before that command you need to add this sudo. If you are in normal mode. If you are in normal mode and you want to perform the root level work you want to perform in normal mode, you need to add this sudo command before every command. Okay. Normally, if you just type systemctl start docker, it will throw an error. If you add sudo, it will start the service. Okay. For root, there is nothing required. Directly the command only will be there. It will be done. Okay. Clear?
Just I'm asking that
Sir?
adding users, just to add the users.
Okay. So see how to add the users is
Just
command is called user add and username. Okay. For example, username is some alpha. ALPH. Okay, username is some alpha. Press enter. So for that user, definitely you need to give some password. 100%. Okay. So password. PASSWD. Password space user. Who is the user? ALPHA. Alpha is the user, right? So we are giving password we are setting up the password to that user. Okay. Press enter. So once you press enter, it will ask for the password. Okay. So you need to give the new password. Something. Whenever you will be giving the password, nothing will show here. Just give the password and press enter. So alpha, enter. Done. Again, retype the password ALPHA alpha. Done. Okay, so the authentication token successfully updated. Okay, done.
Okay, sir.
So here it is showing a character again. It is that it is less than 8 characters, so it is bad password, easy to crack and all. Don't bother.
Okay,
Just
sir.
update it successfully. So now your user is created. Done. Your work is done.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if you want to check it where your user is created, okay,
Yes,
where if your user is created, if you want to check it, so you need to go to the command called cat space hyphen etc is the directory. Inside etc passwd is the file where your user level information will be stored. Your user levels information will be stored in this path. etc password.
Okay,
This is important because interview 100% they will ask you where your user level information will be stored.
okay, sir.
Okay, so press
Okay.
enter. See here you can see the number of users we have created. Always the user, whenever you will create a new user, it will come in the last line. It will come in the
Okay.
last line. So just now we created alpha, it comes in the last line. Again
Okay.
we created the Deepak. Before only we have created the Deepak, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
it is
Yes,
come.
sir. Yes.
EC2
Yes.
hyphen user is the default user. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
here it is. You can see default user. EC2 hyphen user is a default user. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Done. Fine, clear. So anyone has any doubts yet?
So what about the PS hyphen user?
PS hyphen
Hyphen use.
PS hyphen U means user level. Inside user, you can run so many services, so many applications and all. Inside user also.
Okay.
Okay, this is your root user. Your
Okay.
root user is different, normal user is different. So in normal
Okay.
user will run some services. So if you type PS hyphen A, it will give you the details of all the services running inside your machine.
Yes, sir.
A to Z. If you type
Yes.
PS hyphen U and username, it will give you the details of all the services running in a particular user.
Okay, sir.
ఓకే ఆ యూజర్ లో ఏమైతే సర్వీసులు రన్ చేస్తున్నావో దాని డీటెయిల్స్ మాత్రమే ఇస్తుంది. టోటల్ A to Z డీటెయిల్స్ ఇవ్వదు.
Okay, sir.
ఓకే ఇప్పుడు ఆ యూజర్ ఒక 10 సర్వీసెస్ రన్ చేస్తున్నాడు. ఓకే సపోజ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ యూజర్ ఇస్ రన్నింగ్ 10 సర్వీసెస్. సో ఇట్ విల్ షో యూ ద రిజల్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఓన్లీ 10 సర్వీసెస్ ఓన్లీ.
Okay, sir.
Normally PS-A will give you A to Z. It comes under root and users and others and all everything. All the service it will come. Okay, user level information, how many users are there, those level information and the root level information. Everything it will give.
Okay, sir. Got it,
Okay.
sir.
What?
Got it.
Here what will happen is in hyphen U username is it will give you only user level information. Okay?
Okay. Got it.
Clear?
Yes.
Yeah, done. So we will meet tomorrow and do the practice. I'll share the document. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow. I'll share this document, practice it, and yeah, if any doubts, we can clear it tomorrow. Clear? And tomorrow we will start again. Go to the Linux part. Sorry, Linux is done. We will start with AWS again. Okay,
Okay,
clear?
sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah. Okay then, chalo. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah.